Okay, so this is driving to Jonas's school, and I just wanted to show how we have like blue roofs, you know, all over the place these days because all these tarps are all blue, or a lot of roof tarps are blue. And so this is going into the neighborhood that Jonas's school is in. It's all after Hurricane Ida. And get a load of this. So you have to be real careful because there is a cable right across the road here. So you have to be careful driving in. And we've got this tree up. Pile of debris still there. More debris. Everything's ugly. More tarps on roofs. So much of New Orleans has tarps on their roofs. It is crazy, including us. And then the last thing is, oh, this house had some damage, and then an enormous pile over here that has been here for quite some time and probably won't get picked up anytime soon. Love New Orleans.